Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to play YouTube videos in background in PIP mode, which is picture in picture mode of your Android app. So let's begin. Let's create a new project. We can name this project anything, probably YouTube videos in PIP mode, and press finish for the environment to load. It may take a while. In the meantime, I'll just quickly show you a couple of videos which I have already posted. So one of these videos was how to use YouTube iframe JavaScript API to run YouTube videos. So we'll be using the part of code from this just to demonstrate this one. And the other one I have already published is how to implement picture in picture mode. So I will not use completely from here, but yeah, so we may refer this page as well. So I'll be combining these two concepts in my this particular video. And if you are aware, normally YouTube does not allow picture in picture mode if you are running it on a browser or in its own app, YouTube app. So this is one way how you can create your own app to do that, and you don't have to buy any of the premium packages of YouTube to do that. It's pretty much straightforward. So let the environment load and then I'll show you. Perfect, my environment loaded up. So I'll start my emulator also in parallel. And in the meantime, when emulator is loading up, I'll just update my, say for example, manifest file to give it permission to access internet, because we'll be accessing this YouTube videos. Of course, for that we'll need access to internet. So one line declaration in manifest file is more than sufficient. And then apart from that, if I come to the layout then quickly, and I think I can minimize this left hand side. What I'll need is probably I'll need a web view. So you'll understand why we need web view once I start getting the code from my previous videos. So I just need a web view. I think I can decrease this size because I think this is because of that one coming up my emulator, or it has come up. So I can just minimize this for the time being. And yeah, text view I don't need it, so I just delete it. Web view I need, and probably I can make it as big as small. I don't think I need such a big web view. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and I can name this probably what I can name it web view only, and I can give it the required constraints. That's it. And then I can put a button also probably to play this, so I can make it button as but, and I can name this button play. Perfect. So that's all, and now I can refer to my previous code just to save time. Otherwise, you can go through this particular page. I'll put the link in my description below, and you can understand how I've done all this coding and all over there. So I just copy paste this part from my Java code, and this come as a class variable over here on top. Perfect. Press Alt Enter so it gets included. And if I quickly go back here, the things is pretty much straightforward. Yeah. So this is the part of the code what we have to paste here. That's it. And I may have to press Alt Enter to import the required, yeah, this view. Yeah, now everything looks fine. Now as I told you, for picture in picture mode also I can refer to my this particular other tutorial, which is how to implement picture in picture mode. For this link also I'll give it here in the description. Yeah, but I will not copy the complete code. I'll just show you the important parts. One important part is this one, that we have to make it true, the picture in picture mode, and give the required config changes. So that we have to do in manifest file. So if I come here, so this has to be done in the main activity section here. So that will come somewhere over here. Okay, so it seems like I'm getting some error here, and if I hover over this, it says android exported must be set as true. Oh, okay, I think by mistake I'm doing undo. So this part we have to keep it. So okay, what I'll do is I'll just keep it as it is, and probably now I will copy paste my other part here. Yeah, perfect. So now this should be fine. Yeah, so the only main part is we have to set this as true, supports picture in picture mode, and then config changes. And now if I come back to Java code, so in my previous code I had written a separate method, which is like on user leave hint, but that's not more required. We can just directly call a method here in build method, which is set. I think if I'm not wrong, it's picture. Yeah, this one is what I was looking for. And here we can just initialize our new parameter picture in picture params, and then I think this builder should be fine. Yeah, and if I do it correctly, this should work. But I'll do one more thing. Wait, I'll just set one of the properties, set auto enter enabled, make it true. Okay, so this will enable so this will avoid you to write any other method in your code. Yeah, one last thing left is we have to associate this particular method to the button on click attribute in this. So let me go back here, and if I scroll down there should be an on click thing. Yeah, and here you can just associate it like that. Come back, rerun the code. It may, let's see how it comes up. So in the meantime, I can just quickly explain you what I'm doing over here in this. I'm calling a particular YouTube video, and if I scroll down over here, so this is the video ID which is being played, and this is a sample video, of course. And here we are setting the parameter. So what I think I have done is it will run only for 10 seconds as of now. I'll just increase it to probably say for example 100 seconds. Yeah, or you can set it accordingly according to your need. So I'm playing it right now. This has come up. If I click here, perfect. So I can click here, and I can see, okay, I think it stopped because it was just for 10 seconds. Let me do one thing. Let me rerun the code quickly. I've increased it, the time frame here, the stop video time frame. So let's see what it happens now. This time it should be fine. Okay, it again came up, and I click the play button, click the YouTube. Perfect. So my video is coming up here. YouTube video is a sample YouTube video from the Google developers. And
Hey everybody, welcome to this week's show of YouTube Developers Live. I'm Jeff Posnick, coming to you from New York City. I'm a member of the Developer Relations team, and this week I'm really excited to talk to you about different ways of customizing the YouTube embedded player.
yeah, if you see how easy it is, like even if you go to the background, like play, and you can do your other
Before
stuff.
I get started though, I want a couple of ground rules to kind of just talk about what we're going to be covering in today's show. There are a lot of different embedded players, and there's lots of different ways to customize them, but
Of
for
course,
this
I'm not
particular
giving the
show,
resource only
we're going to be
for
focusing on...
but that also is possible. Probably I'll cover it in my next videos. But I just wanted to cover how easy it is that once you play the video, and if it's long video, many times at least we struggle, right, to play it in background so that we can keep doing it something in parallel. And this functionality is only in YouTube Premium, but however, using this code, you can build your own app and do it. So this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.